Hello guys and welcome back. So now let's go ahead and add the reloading system as well. Right here after this magazine we will create another float by the name of reloading time. Let's leave this as it is. Then let's create a bool by the name of set reloading. Then let's get down right here after this shoot method. Let's create a enumerator by the name of reload, and when this is called, what we will do, we will first make the player wait. Okay, we will be playing the reloading animation right here. Okay, but that is for the upcoming videos. Okay, after playing the animation we will, when we are playing the animation, then till the animation is finished we will make the player wait, so the wait will be the reloading time. Okay, and after that we will reset the ammo, so present ammunition will be equals to maximum ammunition again. And also we will set the set reloading to true right here when the reloading is started, and then when the reloading is finished we will set this to false. Okay, so now what this will do, this will basically reload the rifle, and it will be reloading the rifle till the magazine is greater than 0. Okay, but if it is less than or equals to 0 then the shooting will not happen and also the reloading as well. Okay, so let's do that right here in the update method. Okay, before shooting we will say that if the player is reloading, so we will say if set reloading is true. Okay, then of course we don't want the player to shoot. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply say return. Okay, and also we want to check that if the present ammunition is less than or equals to 0 and also the magazine is greater than 0, then in this case we will allow the player to reload. Okay, so we will say start coroutine and in here call the reload method and then just simply say return. That is it. Okay, so what this means that when the present ammunition is 0 and the magazine is greater than 0, okay, then we will reload. But if the magazine is already 1, then we will not reload, and also if the magazine is less than 0 then we will not reload as well. That is it. Now get back to Unity, click on the player right here. We need to set the reloading time, so let's just set the reloading time as 2.7 for now, and that will be it. Now if we play the game, okay, you will notice that when we shoot, then after the reloading time the present ammunition will be equals to 1. Okay, so let's shoot this knight. As you can see, after 2.7 seconds the present ammunition become equals to 1, as you can see. Now let's shoot him again. Okay, as you can see it is 0, but after 2.7 seconds it becomes equals to 1 again. Okay, now let's shoot again. As you can see the magazine is decreasing as well. Let's shoot again, and when the reload is done, shoot again. Okay, and you will notice that when it is reloading the player is unable to shoot. Okay, but when the reloading is done, then after that the player shoots. As you can see now, the present ammunition and magazine is 0 and 0. Okay, and you can see the current health of the knight is 20. So now if you shoot, as you can see the player is unable to shoot now because the ammunition and magazine is finished. Okay, and you can notice the current health of the knight is still 20. Okay, so what this means now, that the ammunition in the rifle is finished and now the player can't shoot. Okay, So now our rifle is shooting perfectly fine, and also the rifle can reload as well. Now in the next video we will be adding animations to our rifle.